Welcome to a journey through one of history's most enduring mysteries, the Knights Templar, and the question of whether they uncovered a lost treasure in Jerusalem. This medieval order of warrior monks is shrouded in legend, and for centuries people have wondered what secrets did they find beneath the holy city. Let's explore this possibility, rooted in historical records, but open to speculations that still captivate us today. In 1119, the Templars, founded by French knight Hugues de Payens, established their headquarters in Jerusalem's Al-Aqsa Mosque on the Temple Mount. Historical accounts confirm this site was granted to them by King Baldwin II, ruler of the Latin Kingdom of Jerusalem after the First Crusade. Baldwin believed the mosque stood atop the ruins of Solomon's temple, destroyed by the Babylonians in 586 BC, making it a symbolically charged location. Initially, the Templars' mission, as detailed by historian Malcolm Barber, was to protect Christian pilgrims traveling to the Holy Land. But their choice of headquarters raises too many questions. Were they simply guardians, or did they have a hidden agenda? Perhaps to search for treasures, or sacred relics lost for centuries? This idea gained traction with a remarkable discovery in 1952, the Copper Scroll, one of the Dead Sea Scrolls found near Qumran, just 20 kilometers from Jerusalem. Unlike the parchment scrolls of the collection, this was a corroded metal document, so fragile it had to be cut into 23 strips to be read. When deciphered, it revealed an astonishing inventory: 64 locations of hidden wealth, gold, silver, and temple vessels, estimated to include 30 tons of silver at one site alone. Dated to the 1st century AD, could this scroll have been a treasure map the Templars sought or stumbled upon? Their early years on the Temple Mount, from 1119 to 1129, before papal recognition, offer a window of opportunity. Archaeological evidence suggests they excavated beneath the complex, particularly in Solomon's stables, a massive underground vault once used for royal horses. The Temple Mount Sifting Project, launched in 2004, has uncovered medieval artifacts in these areas, though nothing conclusively ties them to a Templar treasure. Still, the Copper Scroll's proximity and detail fuel speculation. Some scholars propose the Templars were after gold or sacred items from Solomon's temple, looted centuries earlier. Others, like Graham Hancock, argue they sought the Ark of the Covenant, the biblical chest said to hold the Ten Commandments. This theory gains intrigue from a 12th century account. In 1165, an Ethiopian prince named Lalibela reportedly met with Templars in Jerusalem, possibly sharing knowledge of the Ark's location in Ethiopia, where tradition claims it resides in Aksum. Could this encounter have shaped their quest? The speculation deepens with the Templars' own beliefs. Historians Tim Wallace Murphy and Christopher Knight suggest some knights belonged to the European noble families descended from Jewish elders who fled Jerusalem after the Roman destruction in 70 AD. This lineage might have given them ancestral knowledge of hidden caches or temple secrets. They could have unearthed esoteric wisdom from Jerusalem's ancient priests, texts, or symbols like the Seal of Solomon, a six-pointed star tied to mystical traditions. After returning to Europe in the 1120s, the Templars amassed wealth and influence, building fortresses like Gisors in France, and pioneering banking systems that managed pilgrim funds and noble donations. Their excavations beneath Solomon's stables, documented in archaeological studies, hint at a prolonged effort. Years spent digging in a site they controlled until 1187, when Jerusalem fell to Saladin. So, where did this supposed treasure go? Theories abound about its fate after the Templars' decline. In France, the fortress at Gisors, linked to the order, became a focal point for treasure hunters. In the 1960s, French Culture Minister André Malraux ordered excavations there, spurred by tales of Templar vaults, though nothing conclusive was ever found. In Scotland, Rosslyn Chapel, built in the 15th century by the Sinclair family, closely tied to Templar descendants, features carvings some interpret as Templar symbols, like the Green Man or Masonic motifs. Ground-penetrating radar has revealed underground chambers beneath the chapel, yet they remain unopened, fueling more debate. Then there's Ethiopia. The rock-hewn churches of Lalibela, carved in the 12th century, bear architectural echoes of Templar design, and some speculate the order pursued the ark there after their 1165 meeting. By 1307, when King Philip IV of France and Pope Clement V dismantled the Templars, their wealth, estimated at millions in the medieval currency, seemingly vanished, leaving these sites as tantalizing clues. Picture this: a treasure lost to time, gold, relics, maybe even the Ark itself, hidden away as the Templars faced their final days. Could it lie buried beneath the ruins of Gisors, waiting in the shadows of Rosslyn Chapel, or guarded still in Ethiopia's ancient churches? History tells us their wealth came from banking and noble gifts, but the whispers of something more linger in our mind. As their castles crumbled and their order faded, what became of their legacy? I'm curious, what do you think? A real treasure waiting to be found, or a tale that's grown larger than life? Share your ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear where this mystery takes you.